Hello everyone, it's Samike Makeup and Lifestyle channel, and it's such a pleasure to be back again in this new season of 2021 on the tutorial. And if you do, drop a word or two privately or openly, whichever way. I would appreciate. Even a criticism will really help us to work better. Thank you very much. Once again, it's Ifi Dada, and I am the CEO of Samike Makeup Limited, and it's Samike Makeup and Lifestyle channel. Thank you for joining us again today. So we're going to accentuate the eyes the more and use an eye. Okay, I've got a liquid eyeliner, but I'm going to use an eye pencil, like an eyeliner core pencil, to draw in the waterline, and that is to define, to give your eyes some more attraction. The waterline here to what you've done. See, if you notice now, my eyes have been given some visibility, some depth, some attraction, just by adding some color to the eyeliner. So now, how do you use a lip liner to accentuate your cupid? That is the center point. So you do the start with spread your lips. Follow your cupid. That's how you accentuate your cupid. So I'm going to use two lovely lipstick colors that are part of our new collection, and Utopia and Tamed. Okay, the reddish color or the wineish color, this is Utopia. Okay, and I'm going to use also, to milden it down as an ombre, I'm going to use the one called Tamed. This is how you create an exciting cupid that attracts. So I'm going to use Tamed now. An inside liner. We're getting there.